You have to invite your team as members to a project to start collaborating with them. In the project overview, all members are visible in a widget. You can also access the members list through the project menu. To add users as members to a project, click the green Add Member button in the top right corner of the Members module. Type the name of the user you want to add. You can also choose several members at once. Assign a role to the new members and click Add. To invite new users who do not yet have an OpenProject account to a project, type in the new member's email address. If OpenProject does not find an existing user, the invite information will automatically be added before the email address. An email invitation will be sent to the user with a link to create an OpenProject account. To set or change the role of a member in a project, click the icon with 3 horizontal dots on the right. Select the new role and click Change. You can also remove a member from the same menu. Congrats! With this video, you took a big step toward collaboration in OpenProject.